Picture this: a world where your Nutanix needs are met with skill, precision, and unparalleled customer satisfaction. Welcome to FR Solutions, the largest U.S. service provider and a North American champion-level services delivery partner for Nutanix. Team isn't just good, they're brilliant, bringing knowledge and expertise that is on par with, if not better than, Nutanix's internal resources. Product installations, to maintenance, to migrations, including those from VMware to Nutanix, we've got it all covered. We don't just stop at services, we guide you, helping you architect your hybrid cloud solutions, mainframe staffing needs, and other information technology resources. Professional services can be accessed either through Nutanix, any reseller, or directly with us for the best rates and return on investment. Commitment to quality is evident in our top-notch customer service satisfaction ratings, and the fact that all our resources are Nutanix certified. Need it staffing solutions, mainframe services, expedited VMware to Nutanix migrations? We've got you covered. To join the ranks of our satisfied customers, visit FRSolutionsCorp.com and click the Contact Us button. Our experts are ready to reach out within 24 hours. FR Solutions, your Nutanix and IT staffing needs partner.